Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are learning how we can download the PicsArt application on your Android device, which can be a smartphone or tablets. So let's get started without waiting much. Launch open your Google Play Store and also make sure that your device is connected to stable internet. Now click on the search icon at the bottom and go to the search bar at the top and type in PicsArt in the search bar. In the search results, look for the PicsArt AI photo editor and video application and tap install. Wait for the app to download and install, which may take several minutes. Once the app is installed, click open. And there you have successfully downloaded and installed PicsArt application on your Android device. You can now go ahead and log into existing account or start creating a new account using email, Facebook or Google accounts. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.